Recently, a US customer visited our workshop to check out a live demo, and right after seeing the results, she placed an order for this SL-X CNC lathe on the spot. So what impressed her? First, the servo turret. It holds multiple tools to cover different machining needs, with stable tool changes and fine, accurate turning. Then, the 4+4 live tools, rigid, vibration-free, delivering precise milling on even complex profiles. Here's the part we machined during her visit, smooth surface finish, and it's all powered by our in-house developed SmartBrain 22TB control system. To make things even better, the SL-X can be paired with full automation, part catcher, chip conveyor, oil mist collector, and a 65 servo bar feeder. Now imagine this machine in your own workshop. What kind of parts would you choose to machine first?